Hey friends, Jason Moore here, and I wanted to share a pretty exciting moment with you in real time, for me anyway. I just got a box in the mail, and my new book, AI and the Church, A Clear Guide for the Curious and Courageous, is in it. I haven't actually seen the book yet. I have only seen it on screens and so on. Some of you actually have gotten your copy before I've even gotten my own. So here we go. I've got my trusty X-Acto knife and I'm going to open up the book. Try not to cut it into pieces or anything like that. I do want to say thank you to the many, many friends out there who have supported me in this project. You have helped me get the book on the new release. It was at number one on Tuesday when it came out. Right now it's currently sitting somewhere between 10 and 12 or 13 on the Christian ministry category, and it's even ranking for the AI category, which I am competing with secular books there too. So it's pretty crazy, and I feel like you're a big part of why it has been so well received. So here we go. I am opening up the packaging. All right, there it is. As my publisher pointed out to me, this is a thick book. This is probably the thickest book I've ever written. It's got it's 260 or something pages. My cover was partly designed by Ideogram, and I did a little bit of customization to it. Forwards by my friend Rob Lauder, and also I had ChatGPT write a forward to the book too, and so that's kind of fun. Got some amazing quotes and endorsements on the back. The book is $21.99, and you can get it at aiandthechurch.ai. Friends, thank you so much for your support, and that is all for now. I hope this book is helpful for you if you are trying to figure out what the relationship of AI should be to the church. Thanks for watching.